Hello everyone! I thought since it's such a beautiful day outside, we could go on a nature walk together. But I want to find something very specific. Colors. Do you think you can help me find some different colors? Yeah? Okay, let's think about what colors we want to find. We want to find red, that's right. What about yellow? What about, I know. Green. And my favorite color, blue. And purple. What about brown and white? And black. Those are some good colors to find. Let's go find them outside. And Ziggy led the way. He started snooping around and looked for all different colors. We found the perfect trail and then noticed we were surrounded by brown and green already. The green of the leaves and the brown of the bark. Then we found a beautiful flower. What color is that flower? Oh, it's red! You're right! We kept looking until we came across all these little flowers and one big flower that was white and had yellow pollen. Even a bug was getting some of the pollen as we found it. This is called a milkweed. We kept on going until we found a beautiful thistle. Thistles are pokey, but they make these beautiful flowers. What color is that? Purple. I love to look at the bark texture of these trees and saw all the different shades of brown. Do you see all the different brown colors? Ziggy kept on walking, and then I realized Ziggy was the only black thing that I could find in nature. Ziggy has black fur. He sniffed out another flower that we had seen before. And look at that color. What is that color? Oh, it's purple. Look at that beautiful purple flower. We kept looking and came across some evening primroses. And evening primroses are pink. We found some more purple flowers and realized there's lots of purple in nature. We kept looking and walking until some black-eyed Susans. These are yellow with a brown center. But then Ziggy said he saw some other yellow flowers, so I followed him along and he showed me these. These are yellow with a yellow center. The black-eyed Susans were yellow with a brown center. That's how we know they are different types of flowers. Do you see the yellow center? Oh my goodness, I found roses. What color are the roses? They are bright pink. Look at those colors, and look, I found a green bug inside of the rose. I also found another mixture of green and red on these leaves. They have green and red leaves. We came across some rosemary, and I picked some just like we grow in our garden at school. If you pick it, then you can not only use it for cooking, but you can also smell it, and it smells really good. We found some more pink and red flowers that were very small. and they like to move in the wind. Do you see how small and tall these red and pink flowers are? On we went until I found Indian blankets. Indian blankets have yellow and red. Do you see the two different colors? They're so beautiful. We found so many colors together. Do you think you can find all those colors when you go outside? I would love to see all the colors you find. Send me lots of pictures. I'll see you next time.